Okay, this one down here at the end of the walk is one of the suites because this is a Hampton Inn and Suites property,
Yep.
and this is a 2-queen studio suite.
Nice big area in the front as you come in the room.
Yeah, pretty typical. This is the wet bar area here, like Hamptons usually have in their newer studio suites.
Yep.
And nice couch over here.
Yep. And who is doing the tour? TJ Elevator.
TJ Elevator fan. Yep.
Uh,
Yep, I'm still into hotels and
Yep.
hotel tours and all that.
Yep.
Just haven't had as much of an opportunity to do them as much.
No. We're getting there, aren't we?
Yep.
We thank JP and Alicia for inviting us.
Yep. Cause this, cause I'm here tonight at this event because this is property is owned by friends of Daly Seven.